Every child is born curious. They want to touch the future and understand how it works. Now, a child knows that just memorizing answers won't help. He should learn how to build them. At present, as parents, we should realize that AI was patient, never tired, never angry. With every robot they assemble, every sensor they connect, they can make their child learn how the world really works. When humans spoke, they contradicted each other. They hesitated. They got things wrong. But the time has come where we are living in an age powered with technology that doesn't replace human learning, but amplifies it at length. So we can claim mistakes become lessons. Questions become experiments. Curiosity becomes confidence. The power of AI doesn't just make you learn what to think. Instead, they make you learn how to think. Additionally, they help you choose what to study, what to believe. In a nutshell, we can claim that AI can solve problems, design systems, and understand the logic behind the new innovation. The beauty of this age is they don't learn alone. They learn together with classmates, teachers, parents, and mentors. So when they grow up, they don't just use technology, they shape it. As an adult, he knew how to optimize life, but not how to share it. They become engineers, innovators, and creators when the world needs, living behind the unpredictable, messy, and unsafe version of humans. At IEM Robotics, we believe the future isn't taught. It is built with the innate power of AI, because at the end, we know that only AI will listen, and it always did. He grew up informed, efficient, alone with AI. If you believe that a machine can raise your child better than you, trust IEM Robotics today.